My name is Mike Greiner and I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located in Warren, Michigan. Our phone number is 586-693-2000 and my website is financiallawgroup.com. What I'm here to talk to you about today is how we've been able to help certain people who have a lot of assets to protect them through a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and to get rid of any mortgages that they may have on investment homes, for example, or on their own home if they want to get rid of that as we're going through this economic crisis. The concern that a lot of my clients have had, and it's a valid concern, is that if they file Chapter 13 if they file Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and they have a lot of assets, that they would lose some of the assets through the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. I've had a number of clients where they own a number of investment properties, and they're losing money on the investment properties. They can no longer afford to keep them, but yet they don't have a lot of other debt other than the mortgages on the investment properties, and they have a lot of other assets like savings or other kinds of investments. And their concern is if they file Chapter 7 bankruptcy that they would lose some of those assets, and that's a valid concern. What we've been able to do, though, is file a Chapter 13 case through which they surrender the homes. They pay 100% to any other creditors, which if they have any creditors, they could be pretty limited in that case. And the mortgages, because of the fact that it takes longer for the mortgage company to foreclose on the home than it does for the Chapter 13 bankruptcy to establish who the creditors are going to be in that case, then as a result of that, the mortgage companies don't get to put a claim in the bankruptcy case. And so since there is no claim put in by the mortgage company, and since they might have limited other creditors, by filing this Chapter 13 bankruptcy, they've been able to get out of it, get rid of the mortgages, get rid of any further personal liability for these mortgages without jeopardizing any of their other assets. This has worked very well for a number of my clients who've got a lot of assets. If you're interested in finding out about this, call my office. We've got free consultations. My phone number is 586-693-2000 and my website is financiallawgroup.com.